Hello student. In this lecture we will start a new lesson, that is growth and personality development. As what these terms are referred, that's the growth means the growth in the age, the growth in the physical fitness, and growth in the physical um, and growth in the knowledge. These in this type we can refer as a growth of the human being. The growth of the human being may be of that when the human being is at the initially it is a child. When he get birth, after that he becomes a child. He goes to the school, get the knowledge, becomes after that he start grow by physics and by getting experience, different experiences. So the term growth refers to the all round concept of growth of the persons. Then what is the personality development? The personality development means the character, the skill and the efficiency of that person's and the flaws of that person's can called as the personality of that person. The activity which he done in his life develops its character. That character we refer the development of in the character we can refer as a personality development. So here is the table given in these lessons, that the height and weight. So when he get admissions in the school and in his schooling, he pass out or get at higher grade from standard 1, then standard 2, then standard 3, standard 4, standard 5, standard 6 and so on. So these growing standards are referred as the growth. And while this growth, the growth in the height and growth in the weight also increases. Means if we calculate or measure the height and weight of the persons in the first standards, he has less height and less weight, but in the fourth standard his physique will increase in the weight also and height also. So the growth refers to the physical growth and the knowledgeable growth. So we read this concept: all living things eat and grow physically. Similarly, we too grow in height and weight from birth to adulthood. You will see this also from the informations that your friends enter about themselves. Some of them will be more than you in height and weight, while some will be less, but they will all gain in height and weight since they were standard 1 or standard 2. This because the first 18 years are growing, the years of for all boys and girls. While growing, that persons also develop a different skill. The skill in the studies, the skill in the activities, skill in the playings. So skipping on a rope, writing an essay, combing your own hair, making tea, learning song, swimming, telling stories, cycling, giving a speech, counting money, tidying your house, using a computer, playing field games, climbing on a tree. These are all activities leads to the growth and the development of that person's. So, how the activity he gain a skill and the efficiency and the capability of doing different activities. Though some babies cannot do anything for themselves, if they have need something, they can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms. But soon they begin to get control over some of their movements and develop a coordinations between different movements. For example, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. If they recognize someone, they smile. They learn to grip and hold things and then to take them towards their mouth. As they learn to control and coordinate their movement on their own, they begin to do several other tasks, such as picking up things, holding the spoon, eating it on a plate to make a noise. These movement to learn to do something is called as a learning of skill. What does everyone feel when a baby says her first word? As a baby learn various skill, the baby and everybody becomes very happy. They praise the baby. The baby does same thing again and again. Thus, she get a lot of practice. With those skills, her strength also build up, and slowly she begins to do newly learned tasks more easily without making mistakes. That we can say the efficiency increase. Every day we keep learning, that makes it easier to learn new skill. For example, once the child is able to hold something, she can learn to throw a ball. After learning to walk, a child learns to do more difficult things like running, hopping on a leg and catching the ball. These new tasks also includes activities that are a part of our daily routine, such as eating with one's own hand, washing one's own face, having a bath, dressing oneself. So, we do our activities personally uh, after we develop the skill. So, the first concept is the development. Development means the grow in a height, weight, age, physical strength, new skill. Uh, so the development of such things we refer as the development. These animals from their mother learn from their mother the skill of obtaining their food, protecting themselves from the sun and the rain, from their enemies. After that, they begins to live independently. Animal learns only certain numbers of skill in their whole life. In the comparison, human being go to learning many more things throughout his life. Here is the picture of playing children, that how through games they develop a different skill. Here is another picture that the girl is going to purchase uh, the things that home need. So her mother gives her money, and that money she said that I will put that in the bag. Money and a list. So student, here we stop. First you read this lesson up to this point, and after that we will continue this lesson in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.